Y'all, what's going on, Baker Network family? And may I tip my hat to the Falcons fans out there that's watching this video. Today we're going to do a little player review on Mykal Walker. And we're going to break him down with a little film study. Yeah. Today we're going to be doing a little review on Mykal Walker, the 2-year starter at Fresno State. Comes from a great lineage. His dad played there. I believe that's where he got his inspiration from to play there. Rest in peace to his father, he passed away. He's 6'3", 230. He's long, man. Real physical specimen, bro. In his 2 years at Fresno State, Mykal has accumulated 182 total tackles, 22.5 tackles for loss, 6.5 sacks, 10 pass deflections, 1 touchdown, and 1 interception. Let's hop into it for you. .465, man. It's honestly not a bad time for the young man. I think Campbell around like a 4.58. So, you know what I'm saying? We can't have it all, people. We can't have our cake and eat it too. But nonetheless, as really anything in that 4.6 range, he probably plays faster. Some of the guys tend to. It looked like he had a nice gait, nice stride, but you never know. But let's get into the next video. Look at that, the first player down the field on special teams as a defensive end. Makes a sure strong tackle right there. Real nice fun to want to play, man. You can't beat that. The first time through, we're just gonna watch the video, and the second time, I'm gonna break it down for y'all. So here we go. All right. I like how he. Yeah, man. All right, let's get into the breakdown. Let's back him up, back him up, back him up. All right. Just back that up, man. All right, comes off the edge, extends, gets good extension on the lineman. Then he stands him up. You know what I'm saying? Gets him off balance. Kind of just rips off of him. You know what I'm saying? Cleans up the running back for the tackle of loss, man. It's textbook right there, man. There's a whole lot of strength being shown in this game. I like that. It's a big difference from Campbell, who was more just speed, quick feet, you know what I'm saying, agility. This man can come, I feel like this man can come with both. Let's get on to the next video. I ain't gonna talk too much. Alright, here we go, Falcons fan. We got one of my favorite clips of the Mykal Walker highlights. We got this is them against USC. You can see how crazy this player is. Just watch. Now I'll break it down the second time. Alright. Just look how he comes through free. The left guard, I don't know what he was doing, but you know what I'm saying. Nonetheless, this is a great display of strength, explosiveness off the line, man. Alright, let's get to the breakdown, because I'm a ramble. Never mind, I ain't gonna run my game. He just blew up the play. It was nothing really to dissect. So let's just move on to the next one. Alright, right here we got Mykal Walker against Toledo. He's gonna take this one to the house as a pick 6 breakdown. Just him showing off his athletic ability. Alright, we're gonna run it back second time. Now I'm gonna break this down for y'all. So the guy Mykal sliding up as defensive end. He's gonna come on, stunt. He's gonna get caught up in a double team here. But reads the running back. Comes outside of him. Uses great play recognition, great instincts. Gets his hands up, tips the ball, catches it, takes to a crib for a pick 6. That's a good tug right there, man. He's real big time, man. This would be a nice addition. I'm getting real Bruce Irvin vibes watching this highlights. I don't know why. Y'all can comment down in the comment section if y'all agree with me. Y'all think he's the next Bruce Irvin or not? Y'all let me know. And I just so happened to find a Bruce Irvin clip that's damn near identical to the Mykal Walker play, man, honestly. He's right here on the outside. He's right here outside the hash mark right next to the 1st and 10 signs. Watch the magic. Watch the magic now. Athletic, man. Similarities. Takes it to the cribbo. Come here, Derek Carr. I need that 6. Tuggy. Again, y'all let me know in the comments, man. I ain't making, I can't make this up. Alright, now I'm gonna get on to the next video. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much. I know y'all got things to do with y'all day. Alright, here we go. We got another tape of Mykal Walker against USC. And this one is gonna be playing the linebacker position. Seems to be a nickel-based defense. Like I said, we're gonna watch it. Y'all know we're gonna watch it. Where's you running back? Here he plays, in my opinion, some good technically sound linebacker. You know what I'm saying? He's a little stiff, as you can see, but the movements and what he did was real fundamental. Let's take it through it. What he does, he backpedals, sees a 3-step drop, finds his landmarks, keeps his eyes on the quarterback, reads him, sees the quarterback wind up for the throw, beeline straight to the wide receiver for the pass breakup. Real physical at the point of attack. That's what Dan Quinn preaches all the time, fast and physical. And like I'm gonna keep saying throughout this video, this man, Mykal Walker, is a spitting image of it. Alright, here we go. This is San Diego State. Right here is another linebacker look. It looks to be in another stunt. Let's run through it. Almost had the pick six there, folks. Let's run it back through it again. Back pedals. Finds his landmark, reads a quick 2-step drop. Watches the quarterback's eyes, breaks on the ball. But could have had 2 pick sixes if he caught that one. So I really like his instincts. I really like how he reads the quarterback, makes plays. He's real physical. I think it's going to be a good upgrade over Campbell. Because, when he comes in that first year, Dan Quinn's going to put him on that. This is what you're going to do. This is how you're going to wreck games. Real simple. And that's what you're going to do. So, we want Stan Quinn, Jeff Ulbrich. I can't think of our DC right now. Raheem Morris. They get all that into him, man. I think this kid's going to shape up to be a real nice pick for the Falcons. 4th round Jim, same draft, same round Campbell came from. But this boy right here is going to bring some more big plays in the Mercedes-Benz Dome. So let's keep an eye out for number 43 in the Atlanta Falcons uniform, Mykal Walker. This is the Bacon Network. You can only get the exclusive breakdowns on this channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, leave some comments. I love y'all. Till the next time. Peace.
I'm a versatile player, I'm not captain. I'm a do-it-all player. That Army switch knife, I play multiple positions for my team. I play every special teams. Anything my team needs me to do, that's what I do. So when it comes to this organization, I'm going to come in and earn the respect of everybody in the organization. I'm going to work hard and grind, and I'm going to be that guy that people remember me for a long time.